How to download Twitch app. If you want to use the Twitch app and wondering on how to download it on your mobile phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your app store, just like this. After that, here you can find the search button at the bottom, select it, then tap onto the search bar and type Twitch, just like this, and search for it. Now here you can find the Twitch live streaming, just right here, select it. Now to download it, simply tap onto this get button, just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and this app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open. You can also find the app on your home screen, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Twitch app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.